Hello, my name is Sophie D'Souza and this is my channel, Sophie Stained Glass. If this is your first time, welcome, and I hope you find some useful videos. This video you're about to watch is just a very simple quick video about how to board up a door once you've taken the window out of it, or window, doesn't have to be indoor. And this is what you will need. You will need some board. This is 3mm ply, or it's actually 3.6mm ply. A straight edge, a square. Straight edge would be enough, you don't need a square. Pins. These are 30mm pins. 25mm pins are okay. Even 20, if you cut the board snug enough. Hammer. Nail punch. Push pin or pin pusher. You'll see me using one of these. One of my favourite tools. And a jigsaw to cut your board up with. So it's not a difficult job, but I hope you find watching it useful. Thank you, and please like, comment and subscribe. I have to board the door up now, and this is the wood I buy. It's 3.6mm thick plywood, hardwood plywood, and the size is 1220mm by 606mm, and it costs about £8, and that's what I use. I've marked this up for cutting, but there's something else I do before I start, which is I double check my measurements. We're good. This is what you need for cutting plywood. It's a jigsaw, and it's got a wood blade on it. You can get them quite cheaply. This is a Bosch, but you can get very cheap makes, and they're not difficult to use. You can always practice first before you do the real thing. This board gets put in place with pins. These are 30mm long, these pins. I also have 20mm pins and 25mm pins. So that's what I'm going to do now. There's something a bit odd about this door which I haven't seen on other doors, which is I've got a big hole here that's been sort of patched up in a few areas. Now there's nothing actually to fix to down here. It's just a big hole. So if I put this pin in, you'll see it just sort of disappears into the side. I mean, because they're 30mm pins, I've got a bit protruding, but normally a door would look like it's looking at the bottom here with wood going right up to the edge. So I thought it might be worth mentioning that because it's a bit odd. And the thing is, I'm not going to be able to get that pin in very far without it disappearing, which means it's not particularly secure. I'm going to fix to this. I'm just worried, I don't know what that is, it might be wood filler, but I'm worried I'm going to chip it out when I nail into it. Also, it's very hard to get the nails in. Let me show you something I have to help me set pins. It's this lovely item, which is called a pin pusher or a push pin, and it's got a sprung top with a hole in it, and it's magnetised, and you push the pin in place and then you hammer it. Oh, I went too far. Okay, I'm going to pull that bit out. There. Okay. So that can make putting pins in much easier. And it keeps your hammer further away from this panel, which, okay, it's wood here, so it doesn't matter, but when it's glass, this push pin is invaluable. The other thing that can be useful is this, and it's a nail punch. And you put it on the head of the nail